beautiful any day by using the right brow products for you. There are just so many options in the brow market nowadays, and brows are super important since we are wearing face masks and we want our brows to be super defined. But how to use these products and what to choose, I am here to let you know the specific product for you. So let's start with Strokes Beautylab's Microblade Pen Perfector. This is actually a perfect pen to use to create that microbladed brow effect. So this is perfect for people who have sparse brows, uneven brows, or non-existent brows, because literally you will draw brow hairs like this. But the thing is, you have to be careful. It has to be brow-like hair. So, kung ano yung direction ng growth ng hair ninyo, dapat ganon din ang pagka-draw. So, I have very full brows, but I'll show you the effect of. So, I will show you how to fill in this blank space of my brows and we'll see if it's effective or natural looking. First, there's a tiny ball inside, so you really have to shake it. Cap on. Huwag niyo akong gayahin. Cap on! And let's try. The shade that I use is Graphite, which is similar to the shade of my natural brow hair. So perfect. As you can see, you can't tell that I have a space in my brows. Very tricky to use, but once you get the hang of it, sobrang worth it. It's very natural looking and it stays. So nag-set na siya and it stays. So you just have to use only the tip and gently draw like this. Hair-like strokes. Very light lang. Ayan, check lang. Next, I have a similar product also in pen form and in brush. This one naman is called Brow Painter. What's the difference between this, the first one I use, and a Brow Painter? The Brow Painter is more subtle and natural. So if you don't need the microbladed effect, medyo takot ka, you just wanted something very natural and maybe there's room for mistake, maybe go for this. Showing you again my swatch, it's more natural and subtle, although different shade siya, but you get the drift. Mas subtle siya, as you can see. And they're both waterproof and transfer proof and smudge proof. So I will try to apply it on this side naman to see the natural effect. Guys, sobrang kinikilig ako with this product because it's so easy to draw the tail of the eyebrow, as you can see, and it's super natural looking. And you have to draw the tail of your brow, guys, because it makes a huge difference. Look. Putol and pudpod. Sharp! Let's check it out. Let's use the Microblade pen to draw the tail then, para makita natin if there's any difference. So we'll see. Let's go. Pwede rin, but you have to be super careful because it's highly pigmented and it's very defined. In person, natural pa rin. Next, let's talk about the pencil. They have a pencil called Brow Sculptor Duo, and this is also waterproof, and the shade I got is in shade Deep Brown, which is perfect. It comes with a spoolie on one side, which all brow products need, and the other side is a very thin pencil. So it says it has a benefit of a powder, a pencil, and a wax. So sa swatch pa lang, this one, as you can see, very pigmented. I applied with light hand because I don't want to ruin the tip. And you have a very nice shade. All three shades very close, no? Very natural looking. So this pencil I will use to fill in the inner part of my brows. these last two products and they're both similar. One is called Brow Colorist and another one is called Brow Fixer. Don't be confused. When you hear the word colorist, it's like a hair tint for your brows. So, if let's say you have dark brows like me, and kahit anong pag-draw nyo, na-obvious yung uneven shade, you use a brow colorist to tint or to color your hair to make it look more even. As for the brow fixer, it's a perfect product to use if you have brow hairs but they are all over. Like may sarili silang mundo, north, south, east, west. Then, it's a clear gel. This is used like a gel or pomade. So this product, Colorist and Fixer, are perfect to be used at the end or latter part of your brow product application. So right now, I'll be using the Brow Colorist and it's in shade, I'll tell you, it's in shade Neutral Brown. And let's go. This is Neutral Brown. And as you can see, it's set na. If you can't see the difference on cam, let me explain to you. Using a brow coloring tint or any coloring would make it more unified. As you can see here, nakikita mo yung bawat strands ng brow hairs ko, right? While here, you can't seem to see the strand anymore. Stare at this right now and I'll apply this facing you para makita nyo yung difference. I hope I will do this right. It's very easy to use lang. Just keep on applying. See, nawawala na yung brow strands. So, mas natural looking siya. And lastly, you really don't have to use this if you don't want to, since if you use a brow colorist, medyo nasaset na rin yung brow hairs. But if you're the type who's super into perfect looking brows, then if you feel more comfortable, use this. It's a brow fixer, as you can see. It sets everything. It has a clear film and it gives off glossy brows. So, we'll see the effect kung makikita sa camera. I'll apply one and kayo na bahala magsabi kung kamusta naman, diba? Well, I can see up close, may nafe-fix siyang mga konting nakaganon na brows. Very gel talaga siya. Ooh, can you see this? So this one, closer look. I'll try to make it stand up. It did. It did, guys. Nakikita nyo? Ayan. So all these products are available soon and I was able to try this out. First tips, and I hope you were able to learn something para kung mag-shop kayo, you know what to get for you. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this super easy to understand brow product usage tutorial. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!